tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim. Whoa, whoa. Turing ang iyong sariling tagahawi ng ulap sa kalangitang kulimlim. Kampanang yayanig sa bawat nilalang, magigising ang lupang kulang sa dilig. Ikaw ang magsasabing kaya mo to, tulad ng isang tanglaw sa gitna ng bagyo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag.
For a male treasure. So it means that according to the study of
Hindi po namin pinaninidigan na ang pornografiya ay misogynistic.
who say that if you're only focusing on the violence, then you are admitting that there are types that are not misogynistic.
And that pornography is misogynistic as a whole. And watch superhero movies without
Reject the claim because it's treat pornography as a uniform phenomenon.
Individuals from participating in the pornography industry for financial gain. So for our stance, we are not generalizing the overall porn industry.
pornography can contribute to viewing women as sexual objects.
To provide evidence that every form of pornography promotes hatred or discrimination against women.
Ito po bang improve na ang pornography is hindi misogynistic?
Context of pornography. When the teenagers repeatedly exposed with such content, they tend to view it as normal rather than inappropriate.
Studies that said about pornography.
Paalala ko lang ang motion namin. Does pornography promote desensitization to teenagers?
That pornography directly causes psychological harm.
And crime are also the reasons why do people being desensitized. Although we have
I'd like to request all of you to please do not take the things and the lessons for granted.